Hi. So why artists across borders? What does it mean for me to live across borders and why did I choose this name for my channel? If you'd like to learn more about me, my story, and what I'm going to show on this channel, please stay with me. So the first border, as you can hear already, is geographical border. You already can hear from my accent that English is not my first language. I was born in Poland and raised in Poland, and I moved to the US in 2019. But all my experiences from Poland and other countries I visited left mark on me, and they are visible in my art, in the way I behave, in the way I think, in the way I feel. So you can experience them by looking at my art as well. The second border is about my roles and my professions. So I used to work as an intercultural trainer. I've been working as an intercultural trainer and coach supporting expats during their relocation to different countries for almost 15 years. And I still do. But in 2016, 2017, something changed. I enrolled in my first painting class. I painted my first painting. And since then, I just started creating. And when we moved to the US, I fully embraced this new identity. And now I share my professional life between being a coach, a trainer, and an artist, visual artist. And of course, being an expat. The third border is about my visual expression. So I work in different mediums, and very often I also mix them. So I started my art journey with oil paint. Then I switched to acrylics, mixed media. 5 years ago, I started printmaking, and right now this is one of the main focus on my art practice. So you'll see a lot of printmaking topics in my channel, but I also create digitally, and very often I mix those three mediums and I switch between them. So what I'm planning to show on my channel. First of all, it will be mainly focused on art and my art practice. So I will show some processes, my favorite art supplies, or my favorite art books, some tips, my thoughts about being an artist and our life journey as an artist. Secondly, I also want to talk a little bit about being an expat and living in different countries and share my perspective both from me being an artist but also being intercultural trainer and coach. And the last thing is I will also show you how I combine art and coaching, because I try to find an intersection between these two roles and fields. So I created 2 books and I created coaching cards, so you will also see that. And maybe from time to time I will also include a poem I created. So if you liked what you already heard and if you'd like to be with me on this journey, please subscribe, please like this video, and till the next time. Thank you. Bye.